Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check storage information, and if you would like to free up some space, remove your downloads with only one click. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home icon down below, which is the first icon, and after that tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the storage option or section, click on it, and as you can see you're going to see your storage information. So if you want to free up some space, you should remove your downloads by only one click. Remove all downloads. Then click on remove. As you can see, by this function you have removed all of the Spotify songs and content that you have downloaded for offline usage. And you can also free up some space by tapping on this icon, and right now you have freed up a lot of space on your application and on your device. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.